What up, crew? Today is beach day. It's our last hurrah before school starts. But first, I gotta clean out my car. Here we go. Morning ride, huh, buddy? He got this for his birthday. Do me a favor, judge your mama, not me, when you see my car. Period.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up.
So I have to say, during this quarantine, I haven't really been keeping my car up as I usually would, because I'm big on when I put clothes on, it's a mood. I like to jump in my clean car and go. So that just haven't been the case since we've been kind of on quarantine. I mean, we haven't really been going anywhere big, so I definitely kind of let the car go, and I feel bad because I love my baby. Like, she deserves better, and I'm gonna treat her better for sure.
I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
And guys, there's really no excuse for this because we have all the tools needed. Like, we could probably run a detail shop because we have all the tools needed to wash and clean out the car. We have the vacuum, we have all of the things. And I love this stuff right here. It really cleans my seats and get it really good. I actually use it on the couch too. But anyway, I did all of this cleaning in this car, and guess what, guys? We didn't even drive my car, which I was kind of happy about because that means that it was no sand in my car. So we end up not even driving my car anyway. We are en route to the beach.
We just played bingo.
We just finished playing road trip bingo, and then I'm won. I'm about to listen to my PD because I'm still doing training while we're on our way. But I had to play her in a game of Go Road Trip Bingo, and she won. I need to find the sign that's a tunnel and a rest stop, and we have to pass through that.
Spend your so
But see you guys when we get to whatever the next stop is.
No drama, yeah, yeah, nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it?
Hi, everyone. Say hi.
Fast.
Yep.
You do it really fast.
I need a lie.
Time. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah.
So this was actually both Dax and Dash first time at the beach, and Dash had been asking to go all summer, so I'm finally glad that we picked a day and just went for it. We definitely had an amazing time, and I can't wait to look back on this for several reasons. First of all, to just look and see how small they are. Second, to look and see how I have lost all of that quarantine weight that I had gained, and also to look back and remember why I will never do a wash and go again, because it was just way too big and way too much hair.
On a shape that I know. Do you wanna come along with me?
You like the birdies, buddy? You like the birdies? Go over there. Oh! Run them out, then I'm face too close. Back up. That thing came in handy for something. Yeah. You like the birdies?
Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we are cold. You can take us out.
the end of our quick beach day. Just wanted to share a little bit of our family time and fun with you guys. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which starts our fall videos. So I'm excited. Stay tuned. Bye.